Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today I'm making a Mediterranean chicken thighs recipe that is so delicious and so easy to prepare. You won't be able to resist the Middle Eastern flavor. So let me show you the ingredients that go for this Mediterranean recipe. So we have the tahini. I have olive oil, salt and pepper, the za'atar seasoning, which is the star of the recipe, some parsley, garlic, mint, red wine vinegar, and I have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And they're marinating right now in the marinade that I made, that I will also indicate in the description box the quantities that are required. So let's make this delicious chicken za'atar with tahini. First, we're mixing the tahini, the red wine vinegar, the olive oil, lemon juice, and all the herbs and spices with the chopped garlic in a bowl, and we're going to mix it well. And if your sauce happens to be a little too thick, you can add a little water to make it a little runnier, because the tahini sauce will make it a little thicker than usual. So I already have my chicken marinating in this mix. So you add salt and pepper to your chicken thighs, make the mix, and then put them in a bowl and put it all over the chicken. And I put them in a vacuum bag so that it can marinate even faster than what it normally would take. So if you just leave it in a bowl or in a Ziploc in the fridge, you can leave it at least 2 hours, or overnight, even better, but a minimum of 2 hours. All right, so let's make this sauce. So the chicken has been marinating for about an hour, hour and a half, and it's ready now to be baked. So I'm going to, I got a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I'm going to place the chicken on it, and I'm going to bake it in a preheated 400 Fahrenheit oven. And I'm going to let it bake for about 30-35 minutes, or until it's done. Remember, internal temperature should be at minimum 165. So 35-40 minutes should do. The chicken thighs just came out of the oven, and it looks pretty good. It took about 35 minutes, and you don't have to bake it. You can also grill it if you prefer. So that's up to you. It looks fantastic. Here we have baked za'atar chicken thighs. You can serve them with a reserved tahini sauce that we use for the marinade. And it's very easy to make. I hope you try this Mediterranean flavored chicken thighs. This recipe is easy, and I'm sure that you will repeat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!